Assalamualaikum and hello. In this video, we are going to focus about the mole concept for concentration of a solution. There are a lot of ways to calculate the concentration of solution, but first thing first, you have to understand the three terms that you will use. The first one is solution, the second one is solute, and the third one is solvent. Let's focus with solution first. Solution is a homogeneous mixture formed when an amount of solute dissolves completely in a solvent. You can see from this picture, I have my liquid here as my solvent. Usually we use water and we got a few bunch of solute here. It can be in phase of solid or liquid, and I dissolve both of them completely to form a homogeneous mixture. So the solution form is in one layer, homogeneous mixture. Next, let's go to the solute, which is the substance present in a smaller amount in a solution. And last but not least, the solvent, which is the substance present in a larger amount of solution. So you can differentiate between two of them based on their amount. So solute will mix with solvent to get a solution. Once you've understood about these three different terms, I'm going to introduce to you about the concentration of solutions. We got 5 of them, which are molarity, molality, mole fraction, percentage by mass, and percentage by volume. Let's go to molarity first. The symbol will be capital M, and you can also use this as your unit. So what is molarity? Molarity is number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. The definition should be like this, and that's why I introduced to you the difference between solute, solvent, and solution. So next, for molarity, we have several units that you can use, but all of those are the same thing. The first one is mole per dm cube, or mole per liter, or molar, or capital M. I don't mind whichever units you want to use because all of those are the same. And these units coming from the definition itself, mole over 1 liter. And usually 1 liter of solution, we can take note that it's just the same with 1 dm cube. So 1000 milliliter equals to 1000 cm cube. So I introduced to you this formula to you where how you want to find out the molarity for a solution. So you can see that it's coming from the definition itself, but you have to emphasize here the volume of solution should be in liter. So if the question gives you in milliliter, you have to convert the volume of solution into liter. You can also rearrange this formula to get number of mole equals to mv, molarity times with volume. So you got another one more formula to calculate the number of mole. Let's try example 10 where you have to calculate molarity of solution in 1.71 gram of sucrose. I give you the chemical formula for sucrose, and it is dissolved in a 0.500 liter of water. You have the relative atomic mass given in this question. So in order for you to determine the molarity, first thing first, calculate the molar mass of sucrose. So you will have 342 gram per mole. Next, everything must go through the moles. If you cannot start with your answer, please try to find out the mole first. So in this case, I'm going to determine the number of moles for sucrose. Put the subject here equals to the mass over molar mass that you got. You will have the value for number of mole is 0.005 mole. Last but not least, calculate the molarity based on its formula. Mole of solute, in this case is your sucrose, over with volume of solution, and finally your molarity will be 0.0100 mole per liter. Please make sure you put in 4 decimal places for your answer. So I leave it to you, try these 3 so that you can try to practice based on what you've learned so far. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!